If humans do not change, then nature will change them. 2026 is the deadline for this warning. This year is going to be very challenging, and in fact, the upcoming years 2027, 28, 29 will see a lot of change and crisis both going together. See, the year 2026 will be a complete turning point for this reason. Events will unfold where aliens and humanity will meet. This year will either be one of destruction or one of transformation. In this, the soul will need knowledge for its upliftment. This time, as much as it goes into peak negativity, it can also go into peak positivity. If humans do not acquire knowledge, then it is certain that they will definitely see destruction. Then, in the subtle realm, all these planings have already taken place. So much is happening suddenly, and all this will only increase. If you do not change yourself at the soul level, if you do not change your level of consciousness, nature will overpower you, because whatever atmosphere is being created by our thoughts, that is the cause of our sorrow. The coming time will be of self-knowledge, the coming time will be of divine knowledge. 2026, 27, 28, 29. But those souls that awaken, because this time is a time of awakening, you have to awaken your level of consciousness. You also have to understand in this way that whatever is happening on this earth is all a result of our collective consciousness. If we collectively change something with this collective consciousness, if individual consciousness changes, only then collectively will we be able to change this entire energy. That is why self-knowledge is needed for this. There is a need for ancient Sanatan Yoga that our sages used to practice, and this yoga is Param Shanti Yoga. We now have to transform the energy on earth, and only then can we purify this entire atmosphere. People's minds have been corrupted by thoughts, actions. What kind of energy or power is there that can be the sole cause of this change or transformation? It is only this, that the energy of Param Dhama, Supreme Abode, be brought down to earth. At this time, there will be no such avatars. The Almighty Authority is directly interfering, and the change they are making at this time is to ensure that the mortal world does not become an immortal world. The knowledge that Bapuji is giving us, this knowledge is of self-protection. The time that is running now, the entire universe, the entire galaxy, the entire universe and the entire multiverse are being changed. This work is happening on such a large scale. Param Shanti.